If your diesel feels just a little off, but you don't have any check engine lights, your engine might already be destroying itself. Modern diesel engines don't always warn you before a $30,000 failure. They let it happen quietly while you keep driving. Let me show you what I mean. On modern diesel engines, Detroit, Cummins, Volvo, PACCAR, there are multiple systems that can damage the engine without triggering a shutdown. These trucks don't always fail loudly, they fail silently. Here's what it looks like. Fuel can leak past the injectors into the cylinders, washing oil off the walls and thinning engine oil. That destroys rings, bearings, and cylinder walls. Again, with no immediate fault code. Air compressors can push compressed air into the cooling system when they fail, forcing coolant out and overheating the engine, even though the engine itself is still sealed. Fuel pumps can shed metal, sending debris through the injectors and into the cylinders, slowly damaging everything downstream. All of this causes heat, friction, and contamination, but none of it has to trip a shutdown. That's why we see engines come in that ran fine yesterday, and today they need a $25,000 to $40,000 repair. The dash never warned them. The damage was happening quietly the whole time. This is why coolant loss, fuel smell in the oil, surge idle, and pressure changes matter so much. They're early signs that the engine is being attacked from the inside. If you wait for a check engine light, you're already too late. The trucks that get saved are the ones that get checked when something feels off, not when it finally quits. If you're in the DFW area and your truck has been acting strange, coolant moving, fuel smell, power loss, or weird idle, get it diagnosed before it turns into a 5-figure failure.